Red's better, right?
Yeah, I think it's brighter.
Wow. Let me tell you something, the material is very strong.
Yeah.
It's not cheap.
They have really good reviews.
Should you mark the three of them?
Yeah.
Oh, second.
Right, pass me the pliers out.
You know what? Get
Green
it.
pliers.
Yeah, until we hold it.
From start to finish, the installation took the guys about 3.5 to 4 hours, and that was with relocating the turn signals as well. The fiddliest part of this installation was making sure the holes were lined up perfectly before you start drilling. Anything from that really was very, very straightforward. It definitely needs 2 people to do it because of course you've got to hold the bags in place. But yeah, the guy said that it was pretty easy, and you heard him say the materials used to make the bags are absolutely excellent. As you can see here, they're all fitted, really nice, and they look excellent on the bike. So just for my normal day-to-day ride, I would always take a spare cap. You can see that in there. My sunglasses case. I also have, if you can see, a little zip pocket here, so you know that can keep, I don't know, cards in or something that's a little bit more valuable that you don't want to get smashed up in the bag. I am going to get some inserts for these, like they do the Harley ones. Viking actually do the inserts to the bags, so hopefully they'll be coming soon. I've got my wallet. That's just the Insta360, oh gosh, what's it called, mount. That is my mount from Panavise, this one. I'm just going to keep it in the box as well, just in case I need it. This is the suction cut one for the windshield. And then to top it all off, you can see the size of this. This is where I keep my GoPros. And I'm just going to fold that up in there and put that in. So you can see I've still got tons of room in there. I haven't even packed it properly. I could have put that on top. I've got all of this space here. Close it down, lock it with the key, and I've also got this side to put everything in. Okay, let's take it for a spin. Okay guys, so these bags right now feel super sturdy. I can't hear any clanking from them. You've just seen what I've packed in there as well, and that was just in one bag. I mean, these bags are really very, very spacious. One thing I will say is I'm not too happy with the latches. The latches feel a bit flimsy, but I'm sure I can switch them out or figure something out. Also, it feels like there isn't enough seal on the top of the bag. It's not a complete tight fit. Like if you've got an OEM bag, you push it down, you turn the clasp and it fits nice and snug. This feels like there's a little bit of movement. I have rectified that. It's just going to need something like a tiny bit of a rubber seal on there, and then it keeps it nice and quiet and nice and snug. But I am so happy with them. I tell you what, I have discovered actually, now I've got it out in the sun, the Vikingbags have like a slight sparkle to them, which is the same paint job, I think it's vivid black, as my Road Glide Special. On the Low Rider S, this just looks like a shiny black, so they are different. I'm not too worried because the whole point of me going for the Low Rider S was because I'm going to modify and ultimately, or lastly, put a really cool paint job on this bike when I've done all of the other bits to it. So right now I have no issues with them. I have my wallet, I have my spare cap, I have all my other things in there, so yeah, I mean, these bags are absolutely excellent. If you're looking to get any bags, any hard bags, any soft bags, for your lowrider, for any bike that doesn't come with any OEM bags on there, I highly recommend this one. And I'm also trying my nerd helmet out because I'm going on a trip soon, and I just wanted a more comfortable helmet. This is a Sedici modular helmet. I can't remember what model it is, but I will link it in the description down below. And right now it's definitely a lot quieter than the Bell helmet that I always wear. I can feel in fact I don't feel my face sweating as much. The only thing that this doesn't have, it doesn't have the transition shield. There you go, I couldn't think then. But what it does have, as you can see, is a visor, a darker visor that goes down. I do wish it came down a bit more, but that's not really a big deal. I've also got a strap for my GoPro here. It's not one of the typical GoPro attachments that you stick on. This is just one that straps on. I took this off the Bell helmet and I've put it on this one. It's very secure. It cost about $25 off of Amazon, so you can switch from helmet to helmet. And with this helmet actually locks down, and I don't know whether you just heard that then, but it's still managed to clip down as well, so I'm very happy about that. Going on a long trip, 12-hour ride, we are going to break it up, but if we catch any rain, I definitely don't want the visor going up and down or letting any rain in. So back to the Viking bags. Very happy with them. I will let you know how I go with them as I ride the bike more. Like I said, I don't know whether I said it before, but I'm not taking the Low Rider to North Carolina, just for the sheer simple fact of, why would I do that when I have a Road Glide Special? I'm going to have my music, GPS and all of the comforts there. But as far as the bags go, I would still be able to use this bike with these bags and go on a really long trip. So very happy with them. They definitely get my thumbs up, and I shall see you on the next one, guys. So listen, thank you for watching the videos, I really appreciate it. There isn't going to be any yoga on this one because I've got to go home and pack. I'm really busy right now. To my new subscribers that have come on, I want to thank you very much. Hit the notification bell, and you know, that will notify you when I upload a new video. So take care of yourself, guys. I'm stuck in horrible Miami traffic now. I'm not going to bore you anymore with it, so take care and I'll see you soon.